Welcome guys. Today I'm going to teach you a trading model which you guys need to actually make money in these markets. Now, what's the name of this model? This is the 9am CRT model. Now, a lot of you guys have heard about CRT. A lot of you guys have traded CRT who didn't got results. But this model is purely based on the ICT concepts, which is power of 3. Now, I will teach you this model in very few steps. No need to overcomplicate this model. A lot of you guys overcomplicate trading and make your strategy more complicated, and afterwards you guys don't see results and you hop into another strategy. Now that just doesn't work. So what's this model? Let's get into it. So when the 8am candle on New York time, which is UTC minus 4, when the 8am candle closes, you wanna mark the high of the candle and the low of the candle. And when price purges one side of the range, you wanna target the opposing side of the range. Or when the price purges low of the candle, you wanna target the high of the candle. Now, when the price purges one side of the candle, you want to see a market structure shift or order block entry. Now, a lot of you guys have different entry models, which you are guys comfortable with. But I specifically use the model on entry or the order block entry, which is quite reliable and clean rather than IFVGs or market structure shifts or whatever you guys like. So let's see any examples on this. So we'll go on Euro USD chart. So on Euro USD on 1 hour time frame, we will see um, this candle. This is the 8am candle, which I have marked the high of the candle and the low of the candle. So after the price purges the low of the candle, we will move down to 15 minutes to see any order block. So there's no order block on 15 minutes. So we'll go on 5 minutes to locate any order block. And you guys can just see that's, that this two consecutive down close candles, which on high time frame is only one candle. So this two particular candle, this becomes our order block. So we'll mark this as an order block. Now you guys will ask why this down close candle is not an order block. So after the price purges, the next candle after this down close candle did not close above this candle. So we will not mark this as an our order block rather than this. This is our valid order block. Now we'll basically enter at the body of the order block, keep our stops below the recent low, and target simply the opposing side of the range, which is 3.70 RR, which is phenomenal. Now you guys can also take partials at the 50% of the range. Means when we mark the from the high of the candle and the low of the candle, the 50% of this candle range, which is our 1 hour candle range, This 50% becomes our partial take profit, which is on 1.58 RR. And then this opposing side of the range becomes our full TP. Now, lot of gurus and so-called traders teach you stuffs and tell you you will get an 1 to 10 RR, 1 to 20 RR, which is in reality not possible. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this model. This model has so many pros. You guys can backtest this model on FX Replay and just see the results of this model. And one more thing to add, when you see price purchase one side of the range of the candle, you want to see an key level. Now, what's the key level? I will tell you guys in another lecture. But in this trade, the key level was the previous day low, which is this. This is our previous day low candle, and on 1 hour, you guys can see when the price purges the previous day low, this becomes our key level. So that's it, guys. This is very simple model. You guys don't complicate it. You guys just backtest it, and you guys can see results in your trading. So that's it.